something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. Were you like perfume? We were like no other.
Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faiza. Guys, I've been doing easy homemade recipes by Faiza, but the family is expanding. You know, by family I mean you people, and my content is expanding. So guys, I'm going to be doing some cleaning videos as suggested by most of my friends who are watching actually, and most of you subscribers. I heed to your cry. So guys, today we're going to clean my living room. This is my view. You're going to see the rest of it as I clean it. Yeah, please subscribe and remember to like and share this video. Thank you. So we're going to begin now with drawing the curtains, yeah, and opening the windows to aerate as usual. Okay. And so I'm going to begin with using the covers, the pillow covers. Yeah, you see.
I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby.
So I'm going to put that in the washing machine and then come back and clean the carpets and remove them. Yeah.
A picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never sent, 'cause I don't know you, but I used to back then.
Tell me why I started this video with no one in the house, lifting this table, but let's see how it goes.
Years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same.
So in my bucket I have water, clean water, a bit of omo and gauze. That is what I'm going to use to wipe down the couch and remove some stains. Yeah. So we begin here. So I have a piece of cloth and I have a brush. This brush is soft, it's not the hard brush. Yeah, for the stains. So I love starting with the big couch. Ndio nipate motivation. Nione zinaenda zikifunguka.
Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here.
Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind,
would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Guys, in my water I have some Omo and Downy. Yeah, this is my rag. I love using this rag when cleaning deeply. Yani when I want serious cleaning, I prefer this to a mop. So I will begin from the other side.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Played me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain.
And so guys, for my tables, as you have seen, I have wooden tables. I love wooden tables. Yeah, so I use a clean cloth. Sometimes I use the, what do we call it, the dish washing liquid, because that won't leave stains behind. Yeah, out of experience. And after that, I top that up with the Tropical Wood Silk Furniture Polish, which is right here. It is really amazing, leaves a shiny look, and the aroma, yani the smell, you know, I love food. So the smell, how do I say it, the smell that comes out of this, it's just heavenly. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this thing is heavenly, and it is actually cheap. This goes for around 300 and something shillings in the supermarket. Yeah, others are for 900, but trust me, this one is cheap and really good. It's lavender. Yeah, you can try it. So I sprayed a bit of it on the table, not too much. Including the legs. And then wipe that down using a tissue. Do not use a wet cloth, use a tissue, because you need to leave that behind, the shiny look. Okay, so I'm going to use a tissue. Now wipe that down. You see the shiny look that is left behind? Always use a tissue. Yeah, just take a small piece of tissue or paper towel. Some call that paper towel. Look at that, guys. That's the look I'm looking for. You see the shiny bit, you see? Yeah. I'm going to spray my table, this other table, the living room one. Yeah, like that. And then wipe that down. Look at that shine. That is what I'm looking for. You see that shine? This is the shine I'm looking for. And trust me, if you give it like 30 minutes, it gets better. On to this other side. See that shine? This is now just it from the camera. Yep. Wipe the entire TV stand down. For my two carpets, I dusted them down and then I cleaned them using clean water, which had Downy and some detergent.
There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been
After lots of cleaning and wiping the surfaces, this is how my living room turned out. Very clean, smelling fresh and appealing to the eyes. I'm in love with what I've just done. Yes. Moving to the dining area, this is how it turned out. I love it simple. This decorative vase, I got it from House of Leather and Gifts back in 2020. I hope they still have this for those who love it. And my table runner, I got it from Smart Lady Homes. It is the only place I could find this long mat. And also guys, I thought I should share my art, which is at the dining area section. This is from House of Leather and Gifts. Also got it back in 2019 or 2018, around there. This is the view of my dining area and living room area from the entryway. And guys, I see people share plugs of their items. So my decorative pieces, that is the watch and the vases you see in my house, they come from House of Leather and Gifts. My throw pillows plus their covers, they come from Smart Lady Homes. Carpet is sleek, curtains is sleek. My seats are from Palais Furniture on Facebook and Instagram. And my dining table, my living room table, and my TV stand are from Gong Road. Yes, guys. And so my people, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching to the end. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below on the rate. Yes, on how you view my first cleaning video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Bye bye.
'Cause I don't know you, but I used to.